Let's try these ones. Add an x in there after the 7/10. I forgot to do that. So we are going to first find our like terms. Box them out. Well, actually, just indicate our terms. Then we'll do the like terms. These guys match because they both have an x. These don't have x's. They're called constants. So now we're going to go off to the side and do some scratch work. We have these terms, so we have to combine those, -1/5. Now, I'm not even going to put the x in there. I'll add that in later. I'm a little worried that you'll forget to add it in, and that will mess you up and you'll get it wrong, but hopefully we remember. We're dealing with the x terms right now. Common denominator would be 10. That's 7/10, and times 2 times 2, that'd be 2/10. This is a negative, and this is a positive, or a minus and a plus. So now we see that, okay, they're different. So we subtract, we get 5/10, which can simplify down to 1/2. So that's going to be 1/2 x, and it's a plus 1/2 x because it came out to positive in the end. Now we have to do the other math here. We have to combine the other terms, -3/4 or -3/4, and we have also -1/8. You see how they're both, we're going to be adding in the end because they're both taking us in the minus, in the subtraction direction. All right, like terms. So we multiply that by 2, multiply that by 2. That gives us 6. Put the negative in there. We have the minus, and that's still 1. All right, so now we have -6, -1. They're both taking in the same direction, so that's going to give us -7/8. So we throw that in, and that's our final answer. I like to, if it's addition in the front, we don't have to write it. It's just assumed if there's not a symbol in front. Now, next one. First step, block out the like terms. I'm going to put a little plus sign there so it has a symbol. Box out, underline like terms. This guy belongs with this. These two belong together. Birds of a feather flock together. So I'll start with my 2/3 minus my 1/6. I'll put a little plus sign in there. That's common denominator is going to be 6. I got to multiply the 3 by 2. So I multiply the 2 by 2. And I have my problem ready to go. I'm going to do +4 minus 1, which is just 3/6. +3/6, which simplifies down to +1/2. So I'm going to start with +1/2 plus 1/2. Kind of means the same thing. Now I'm going to deal with my other like terms, and that's a -1/4 x, but I'm not going to write that, and plus the 3/8. Now I see that they're different, right? One's taking you in the minus direction, one's taking you in the plus direction. So now I'm going to make like terms, not like terms, common denominators, and I'm going to multiply that by 2 times 2. That gives me 2/8. And then I have to put the 3 over there. There we go. All right, and now I see that I have a -2 plus a 3. That's going to be +1 plus 1/8. So plus 1/8, and don't forget, remember these are my x terms, so I need to throw the x in. Now you could have also gotten this 1/8 x plus 1/2. That means the same exact thing. So you could have had this, or you could have had that. Good job.